If you want to generate exercises from YouTube videos, I have just the tool for you, and it's free. You just paste in the link from a YouTube video. It works in multiple languages, and it will generate not only the text for the YouTube video, but also comprehension questions, vocabulary, short answer questions, and a summary. Watch this video. Come over to Diffit, and the one that you want to choose is this one here. Now, the only thing that you need to do is to paste in a link to a video from YouTube. So I've got one here that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to copy this link from the top, and then I'm going to come back onto Diffit, and I'll just paste the link in. Once you've got the link pasted in, something very interesting here, you can preserve the original text, or if you don't click on that, what it will do is it will actually take that text from that YouTube video and change it and adapt it for the level that you're working with. Now, this actually works in multiple languages, but I'm going to use it in English, and I'm going to say, for example, I want it for grade 6, and then I'm going to choose generate, and it's then going to generate the content. So now the content is being generated, it's all ready. Notice that we get a selection of pictures that we can choose. So if we want to use this picture or a different one, we can choose a different one. And if you scroll down, you'll see that actually this is not the original text. This has been adapted for the level. Now, it is also possible to click here on adjust length, and you can actually change the length of the text if you want to do that. Now, if we come down underneath, you'll notice that there's a summary of the text, and then you've got some vocabulary, and you've also got some multiple choice questions. Now, if you want to add to the vocabulary or to the multiple choice questions, we'll just click here, pull keywords from the text. I can add some additional words, and now we're going to be focusing on more vocabulary from the text. And the same with the multiple choice questions. Add questions. We can choose, for example, comprehension. I'm going to add 3 additional questions. Click on get questions. Now, you might want to use this in class with your students, or you might want to use it for homework. But if you come up here, the really useful thing that you can do is you can print out the lesson plan. Obviously, you need to play the video to the students in the class. Remember, this is just the picture. So you need to share the link to the video, and then the students can do the PDF file and they can do the activity. This will save everything. Click on export. It's going to export it as a PDF file that you can print out. It's a very quick way of making worksheets that you can then work with around YouTube videos. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.